Oh, hi there. Do you want to come in here and eat some grass? Disconnect the fencer. Off we go. Cows in tow. Where we're going, nobody knows. Right out. Hello, Rosie. Very complicated system here, as always. You need it. I don't know what you need to do. You need to go find a scratching post. Where do you think is it going? I'm only going to reconnect this fencer over here. You need to go and get a light. Right, you want it. Everybody has to behave and we go to the next field. Alright? Alrighty then. Now remember, best behaviour. Yep, lovely bit of grass there for you. That's it. On you go. Now don't go over there. Closer look at some of the forage then in this field for the animals at this time of year. This is ryegrass. We got some sticky willy, dockins that hens only seem to eat. Then we have chickweed, which hens also love. There's good old dandelion in there. More chickweed. The good old fuchsia. Plenty of dandelions hiding about. And we got a lot of raspberries, which the animals love. This is all wild raspberries. There's bits of hawthorn in there too. We got some clover. We got some grass that already went to seed. Weird. This is buttercups. Little daisy. That's the lads' move for today. Trying to move them daily now. They're getting used to it. They're following me instead of me having to chase them. So, as you can see, loving life, eating grass, being cows.